What's up, guys? It's your boy djsoulforce. Do a quick run here with the Kraton 6S real quick before it rains. It's coming. I can smell it in the air. Guys, from the factory, the ESC comes on punch level 4. I turned mine up to 8. I didn't go to 9, not ready for that yet. And now you can see the Kraton really gets up and wheelies on demand. So the punch level 4 from the factory was kind of modest, or you might even say it was really weak. I took it out yesterday and bashed it a little bit. I think yesterday would have been one of my days off from YouTube where I didn't record and didn't take the camera with me. Just went out to have some fun. Oh, and something else I adjusted today was the brake. I turned the brake level down a little bit. The factory had the brakes pumped all the way up and it had the punch level all the way down. But I tell you what, something as simple as programming the ESC, turning up the punch level, and some of my first runs with the Kraton, I was having problems with hitting the brakes, and she would stop and do nose flip. Now I have it personalized. She's ready. She's Soulforce ready now. Cool. Cooler than Santa Claus, baby. Oh, hell yes. Hell to the yeah. Yes, guys, now I can unleash the beast. That simple ESC adjustment saved me a lot of money because I was thinking that the 6S battery I have in there is only a 60C battery. So I started looking at 6S batteries with 100C so I can get this, and I really don't need it. I just needed to unleash the beast. Yeah, so now I can do safe stops now without the car flipping over. She was leaving rubber on the street, believe me, guys, before this. Oh, I'm in control now. Now I can start shopping for that wheelie bar I was looking for. And the motor fan, I don't think I need to go to the high-speed pinion now. That's fast enough for this old man. I took her out yesterday. She didn't really handle that gravel that well. The gravel at the park, that little gravel road that oh yeah, the brakes are perfect now. I can't even remember the setting I put them on. 50%, I believe. I can't remember all of that stuff, guys. I'll put some links in this video of the videos that I watched that give you some really great tutorials on how to program the ESC with this car. Thank you, Kraton. She's cutting my grass for me. It's getting to be that time of the year, guys. I haven't done my first cut of the year yet. I hate that one because once you cut it, then you gotta keep cutting it every week. Oh yes, guys, I just upgraded to the Dumbo receiver and transmitter in the Kraton, and she's handling nice. But I still wasn't getting what I saw in a lot of other videos on YouTube about the Kraton. Mine wouldn't stand up and do wheelies. And like I said, right after this real quick and simple, easy ESC upgrade, I think I got everything I need on it right now. What's up, fellas? Look at that thing. Wow. And see, now I feel a lot more comfortable with opening her up like this and being able to come to a controlled stop. Wow. Da 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 da. I'm loving it. It's your boy DJ Soulforce. I'm out of here. Freestyle, baby. She got her first scratches. I'm gonna quickly go online and research for a wheelie bar for this bad boy. Watch that car. We don't have insurance on you, we just got you. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I could wheelie all day long in this grass and not worry about tearing up my rear spoiler. Wow. I gotta get out of the way fast with that thing. Man, she's trying to take my ankle off. The beast is hungry. The beast is hungry. I'm standing back, guys. I don't want to get hit by one of those pebbles. Come here, girl. The Arrma Kraton, all that they said it was.